Hello, my name is Krish Rohil. I'm 11 years old. I'm in 5th grade of Behl Elementary School, and I live in California.
Hello, my name is Rohil. I am 10 years old. I am like Krish. I'm in 5th grade and go to Behl Elementary School. I also live in California.
We chose this topic because COVID-19 has impacted lives around the world, and we want to get the message out to keep yourself safe.
There are 3 levels and 5 to 6 platforms for each level.
It was very fun making this project.
There are portals after each level.
Okay, so this is our project, and as you can see, there's an intro. So the introduction, Pass120, my username, and TheCoolCoder34 is Rohil.
So this is level 1, and as you can see, if I move the right arrow key, I'll go right. If I move left arrow key, I'll go left. So this is the name of our project, Parkour Platformer, and each platform has a fact about COVID-19. So, and at the end of each level, there's also a portal, which I will be getting to soon. So here, that is the portal. We made a little animation, so if you jump into it, it'll go round and round in circles until it's the next level. But what if I die? I fall off, it flashes, and it restarts. So there's also a portal at the end of this level, which is almost there.
So Rohil right now is just beating the level, and there's a portal at the bottom right hand of his screen, and he just jumped into it. So now, this is level 3, when a vaccine comes out. And when a vaccine comes out, well, you're safe, right? Yeah, we will be safe. We have it right there with a smiley face. So these are the platforms, and when you jump, parkouring. I suck at parkour, so I mean, I can never get through these. It's super annoying. Anyway, so right at the bottom right hand of my screen, in the corner, there's a portal. When I jump into it, it'll take me to level 4. Well, it's not really a level, it's the end. Thank you for playing, and stay safe. Thank you for watching our presentation.